Hey everybody, welcome to What's Up with DJ. Today I'll be making air fryer fried Oreos. And here are the ingredients that I'll be using today. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to take a store-bought biscuit. We're going to start flattening it out. You can also use croissant dough or any other dough that you'd like. I'm just using biscuits today. So flatten it out where you can get the Oreo in the middle. And you can pull it, stretch it, whatever. And then put your Oreo in and then just start enclosing the dough, pulling it up and over, making sure to seal it in really good. Just pinch it and squeeze it. And there's our first one. And then let's go ahead and continue with the rest. And here we have our finished 8 biscuits. And the next thing we're going to do is going to be putting some cinnamon on them. And voila, there's the cinnamon. And the next thing we're going to be putting them in the pan. Magically. Ta-da! In the pan. Okay, next we're going to be putting them in the air fryer. We're setting the air fryer at 320. Starting for 10 minutes. I did cook these a little less than 10 minutes. You just need to look at them and kind of judge on your own air fryer. Okay, and here's the GB Golden Brown Delicious Biscuits. It's GBD, Golden Brown Delicious, and they smelled so good with the cinnamon on them, let me tell you, they smelled really good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put some caramel sundae syrup and some powdered sugar on them, just to make them look pretty and be a little more cute and taste a little sweeter. So just drizzle you some caramel on here. And like that. You can also put chocolate syrup, anything you want, you know, whatever you want. I had caramel, so I did caramel, and I love caramel. Little powdered sugar, make them look cute and fancy. Look at them. Don't they look good? Here's the finished product. Close up. That's the money shot right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and try one. Got to try the final cooked product, right? And it's actually pretty good. You can see, I'm going to show you a close-up. The magic Oreo got inside the biscuit. Here's a close-up. And I think this probably deserves a thumb up. Thumbs up. And that's it. Voila, we're finished. Here's my assistant Sammy, my best buddy, checking out the merchandise. He's always my sidekick. I love him to death. But anyhow, I want to thank you for watching the video. I hope you'll like and subscribe. You can also do this special treat with candy bars also, and any other cookies you have. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thanks everyone. See ya.